he goes. He'll probably pop up again somewhere. Ah, there he is. He's a sly bugger, that one. He tries to throw you off. I'm using 5x zoom right now to get a decent video of him, but yeah, I try and keep my distance. He knows I'm here and he's avoiding me. And he's back underneath again. And he'll be back again. I've been semi-following him, trying to keep a distance, trying not to scare him too much. He knows I'm here, but I don't know where he's going, and he could disappear somewhere. Now there he came back up. There we go. I'm sure hoping he'll be out tomorrow. I'm sure he will be. But I haven't seen a beaver down this far before. He's usually up on the other end by the beaver dams. So I'm hoping my son will be able to see him tomorrow in person.